Plasma gel is an orthobiologic in the form of an albumin gel produced from concentrated plasma such as PRP. It releases growth factors, helping reduce inflammation and stimulate intra-articular repair. It is produced from autologous blood and is relatively simple to prepare. Step by step. Set aside 2 syringes preloaded with 0.125 ml of unfractionated heparin. Draw about 20 ml of peripheral blood, preferably using 2 10 ml vacuum tubes. Add 0.125 ml of heparin to each tube. Then centrifuge at 800 degrees for 15 minutes. To avoid vibration in the centrifuge, place the tubes symmetrically. After centrifugation, you will see the blood components separated with the plasma at the top. Aspirate about 4 ml of plasma and buffy coat from each tube into 2 5 ml syringes. Using a 3-way connector, split the plasma into another 5 ml syringe at a 3:1 ratio. Set aside the syringe with the smaller plasma volume. Carefully cap the syringe with the larger plasma volume using a sterile cap. Use the cap from the 3-way connector. This step is essential to prevent gel contamination. Place the larger volume syringe in an incubator at 75 degrees for about 15 minutes to form the albumin gel. Finally, homogenize the reserved plasma from the previous step with the freshly obtained albumin gel until a uniform lump-free gel is achieved. Done. The PRP plasma gel has now been successfully produced. Now apply it using a septic technique. Plasma gel can be applied on its own or combined with another orthobiologic, such as hyaluronic acid.